thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 a.m. for central Hardin and northwestern Crittenden counties. At 6 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rosy Claire, or 10 miles northwest of Marion, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with dozens and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rosy Claire, Cave and Rock, and Elizabethtown. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 a.m. for the following county: Hardin, Illinois, and Crittenden, Kentucky.
This is no longer issued for Hardin County, Illinois. Actually, no, it's for Livingston County, Kentucky. This was the same cell that woke me up at 5 in the morning. Yay! I just did that for fun. Just why not? That's close. Sorry about that.